Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to make a playlist on YouTube that can either help elevate the views for your channel or for private uses that you can compile your favorite videos on YouTube. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're gonna open YouTube. And once you've opened YouTube, we're just gonna go to the library by tapping on the library icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And you will be transferred to the screen. As you can see, right next to history, there is a playlist category. And under the playlist category, there are already two playlists, which are the defaults, such as watch later and liked videos. And once you swipe it to the left, you will see the plus icon to create a new playlist. Okay, let's go ahead and try to create one. Okay, so here, if you haven't decided what to add, you can just tap on next just to create the playlist. And once you tap on next, you will see a title box that you can type in the title, and there is the privacy section, which can be either public, unlisted, or private. And then you can just tap on create to create the playlist. But on that way, you will have to manually add the videos later. So I suggest this other option. The other option, you can just tap on the box on the right of the video that you like to add to mark it as checked for it to be selected to be added to your playlist. And once you've selected the videos that you'd like to add, you can just tap on next. Then again, just type in the title and decide whether the playlist will be public, unlisted, or private. But for this one, I'll make it public, as for this will be for my channel, so that when they tap on the playlist, all of the videos that are included in that playlist will be played. And once done, you're just gonna tap on create to create the playlist, and the playlist will be created. You just need to refresh, and as you can see, there is the sample, and when you tap it, you will be seeing the videos that is added to it. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.